Half hour, people in Waupaca County concerned this evening because some of the charges against one of the men accused of killing deer using a snowmobile have been dropped.
We learned today the lawyers for the other defendants plan to make similar arguments. We want to warn you, some of the images we're going to show you may be considered graphic. Fox 11's Cameron Clark has balanced coverage tonight.
There was no defendant or defense attorney present, but several community members still filled the Waupaca County courtroom. The hearing, held by teleconference, was for Nicholas Hermes, one of the 3 defendants accused of using snowmobiles to run over and kill a group of deer.
With this vicious behavior, they should have a felony charge. There's no doubt in my mind.
Virginia Nemeth is the landowner where the deer were killed. She went to the hearing after she heard felony charges were dropped against another defendant, Robby Kuenzi. A judge ruled Kuenzi was hunting out of season, and therefore there can be no cruelty to animals.
I couldn't believe it, that they said you could go hunting with a snowmobile. I mean, that's ridiculous.
The state charged in the misdemeanor file several hunting violations by Mr. Kuenzi, hunting out of the season, hunting without a license. Obviously, the state contends that they were engaged in the act of hunting. If so, it can't be considered cruelty to an animal.
Robby Kuenzi's attorney says the lawyer for his client's brother, Robby Kuenzi, plans to make a similar defense. Hermes' attorney said in the hearing he will do the same.
We're in a procedural no man's land where I've never been here before.
The assistant district attorney says they are in the process of filing an appeal with the attorney general's office, something he says could make all of these cases last quite a bit longer.
Depending on how far along it goes in the appellate system. If it goes all the way up to the state Supreme Court, we could conceivably be looking at a year and a half down the road before we have a final resolution to anything.
But Nemeth may not wait that long to take action on her property.
And I'm going to close the snowmobile trail.
She says if the reduced charges stick, it will be her way to send a message. In Waupaca County, Cameron Clark, Fox 11 News.
While 2 of the defendants are still facing felony charges, the misdemeanor charges filed against all of the defendants still hold up to 9 months in jail and thousands of dollars in fines for each count.